2017 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power passenger seat, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.